These are back on my radar because we finally ran out of the brush heads that these come with. This is the Aquasonic Duo. There's one white, one black. It comes with 10 DuPont heads. These are the replacement heads, which I'll get to in just 1 second. And that I purchased this is because my son and daughter share a bathroom. I used to have the charger right in the middle of the counter. Charge these things, they do legitimately last for 30 days. Tried to find the charger for this video and I don't know where they put it, but just trust me, it comes with a charger, and the charger is also white and black, which helps them to not fight over whose side is. You have kids, you know. They also come with these 2 travel cases, which is so great because then when the kids charge it and we go on vacation, you know, they don't have to bring the charger because that charger literally lasts forever. Oh, look, there's an extra. Case looks like, so they can store it in here, and it has a place for 2 heads. I don't know who's on vacation long enough to burn through 2 heads, but whatever. One black and one white. And this does have 4 cleaning modes, but my absolute favorite part is I don't have to sit there and time the kids out like, okay, you're not at 2 minutes yet. It runs for 2 minutes. So when it stops running, they know, okay, good, I'm done. It really does help with not only for children, but even for adults, just making sure you're brushing for the correct amount of time. Then let me show you, I'll put a picture right here because originally I ordered the ones that were supposed to this, but they did not fit. The ones that I'm gonna put right here, they said they fit, I ordered them, they did not fit, so I returned them. And then I ordered these hoping that they would fit, and they do fit. This comes with a set of 8, 4 black, 4 white, and they have like the different color ring bands, which is great for if you like to have a colorful toothbrush, I guess. I'll definitely say that when my kids use this versus, you know, they have a manual one too, like if they have in the shower, when they use this, their teeth just look cleaner. And they said that their teeth feel cleaner. I don't know, these are fantastic. If you have any tools as a parent, make it easier to get your children to brush your teeth, you know it's worth every penny. From parent to parent, I know the holidays are coming up. This is a fabulous product for children, also for adults. I have the Aquasonic, I think it's called the Black series. So it's this, but it just comes with one because I just have the one now. If you guys found that helpful, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.